Hello and welcome back to Elite Cloud. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a web application using Elastic Beanstalk. Navigate to Elastic Beanstalk from your AWS. Click on Create Application. From there, you can choose between two different types of environments. The first one is the web server environment, and the next is the worker environment. We are going to use the web server environment. In the application information, you need to give a name for your application. I will call it Elite Cloud Elastic Beanstalk. It will automatically set the environment name for it. Here you can give it a custom name, but I'll leave it to auto generation. For the platform, I'll choose Node.js, keeping everything default. You can upload your code from an S3 bucket or your local file, but I'll be using the simple application for demonstration purposes. From the preset options, you can use multiple presets, such as single instance with free tier eligible, using spot instances, high availability, custom configuration, and so on. Click Next. Now, the main part, we have to select the service role for our Elastic Beanstalk. I have previously created an Elastic Beanstalk service role, so I have one here. If you don't have one, you need to create one. You can select a key here, but I'll be skipping this part. Here, we are not going to use any S3 bucket or other services. But it is necessary to set something instance profile, otherwise, the installation will fail. Click Next. In the third option, you have to select the VPC. I will select this and activate the public IP address. Select any subnet you want. I will select 2 subnets. And I won't use any database, so I will skip this part and click Next. In the instance settings, you can select the root volume type, such as SSD or magnetic storage. I'll keep it default and choose the Launch Wizard 1 security group because it has the necessary ports enabled. I will also keep this to a single instance since I don't want to use a load balancer. And the fleet composition should be on demand. Everything is okay. Here you can cancel this and choose T2 Micro or T2 Nano. Click Next. For configuring monitoring and logging, this is optional. You can skip it, but I'll keep it basic. Make sure the Managed Updates is not activated, because if you click on Next with this option selected, it will show errors. Here, you can select an email address for information events, but I'll keep everything default. Click Next. In Step 6, review every step. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. If everything is good, scroll down and click on Submit. This will start creating the environment. This will take some time. You can see the events are going on. First, it is creating the environment using Elastic Beanstalk, the S3 storage bucket for environment data. You can click here to see what's going on. Here it's creating a security group. It's strange because we also selected a security group previously. Let's see how it's going. The health status is gray, and this will take some time. So just come here and refresh. You can see it's allocating an Elastic IP address for us. This Elastic IP address is going to be assigned to the EC2 instance. And for multiple instances and auto-scaling, this will be automatically assigned. You need to wait now until it shows green. The EC2 instance is launching. And the health status is now green. You can see the environment has successfully launched. Now, I'm going to open this in a new tab. And you can see the congratulations message. Your first AWS Elastic Beanstalk Node.js application is now running. That's it. We've successfully created the Elastic Beanstalk environment. Now you can upload your own code and deploy it to this environment. Replacing the current code with your provided code. That was it for this tutorial. Let's remove this environment because keeping it running will cost money. Click the application. And click on Delete Application. This will automatically delete the environment for us. You can see the health status is now gray, indicating it is deleting itself. And you can see the application is no more, but the environment is still here. Click on the environment, and you can see this environment is also terminated. That's it for this video. Thank you for being with Elite Cloud.